Hi everyone, welcome again. And in this video, we are going to cover about the columns and measures. These are the two topics that we are going to cover today and how we can create different types of measures and columns in our report. So, welcome everyone. This is the day 11th of the Power BI series that we are going to cover in the 30 days. So, let's get started with columns. So columns is something that we calculate on the basis of row iteration. These are calculated at the row level and stored in the data model. They can be used in the visual filters and slicers. So you can let me hover on to my table view, and in the table view you can see that there is a column tool. You can see that there is a new column option over here in which you can create a new column and define a step that you want, like you want to add the order quantity and tax or revenue or total USD or anything that you want. So let's create a column, but uh, before we start, let's understand that how column is stored. The column is stored in the data model and they are used in the filter pane as well as in the slicers. So column is calculated on the basis of row by row iteration. Suppose I have created one column total USD and its calculation is performed on the basis of each row when the Power BI refreshes. Like it will calculate each and every row and it will be a time taking. So let's create a new column uh, in which we are going to do is let's let's subtract revenue from the retail price. That will give us the profit. So let's create a new column and name it as profit. Okay, profit is revenue. You can see that there is an intelligence that is Power BI have. It will suggest the name of our column subtracted to the retail price. So we got a profit for it. So this is what column is. You can create any kind of column of your own, any custom column of your own and use it in your report. So let's use it in our report. You can add a profit also as a field. So when we have created a custom column, you can see that this icon that is displayed, like this will show that our column is made on the data view. It is not inherited with any kind of data set that we have used. So that's what custom column is. You can create many more advanced custom column or complex custom column with the help of DEX formulas. What DEX is, we will talk about it in the next upcoming videos. And let's not care about the DEX that much right now. So let's move on to the measure part. What are measures? Different types of measures that we use. So measures are the calculation that are performed on the fly when you interact with the report. Unlike calculated columns, measures are not stored in your data model, but are instead computed based on the context of your visual. This makes the report dynamic and for the analysis of the report. Let's create a simple measure that we will use. You have the different functionality of creating a measure. You can directly click on the create new measure over here. Measure is, let's do one thing, sum of revenue. There is a function called sum in the Power BI, and we will write a syntax sum and the name of our column. So you will see that we have a measure over here, and uh, we can directly click on it and put it into the card visual. So it has given us the consolidated view of our revenue, a total revenue that we have. So measures are used for this. Next part we have is quick measure, that we don't have to write anything in our quick measure section. You can simply click on the quick measure and select a calculation. Like I want to create average per category, variance, max per category, min per category, different types of calculations that are present here. We have the time intelligence, quick measure, mathematical operation, addition, etc. So let's create average per category. What is the average number of quantity that is ordered? Order quantity with order number. Let's see what it will create. So you can see that it has generated the DEX code on the basis of average, and we have count the average number of order quantity per order number. So let's see what it has given us. So the average number of order quantity we have is 1 per order number. You can explore more about this quick measure and work around it. You will know that the different functionality that it offers. So that's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Thanks everyone.